Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Kater on a beautiful day. So in this video today guys, I want to talk to you about the best app you can actually use to make money online. Now you might watch a bunch of different videos on the internet and I talk about a bunch of different apps you could use to make money online, but they make you like $1, a bunch of pennies, and it's totally like $2. And for you to make some really substantial amount of money, you probably would be working the whole day, like 12, 20 hours to make some money. You might as well just get a regular job. You will make so much more money working a regular job. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you want something that can actually make you good money. Well, guess what? I have this app that I've been using for the last 3 weeks and it's been really rocking. So I want to share with you exactly how you can use your cell phone. This is a text message system that allow you to make money online. Okay, I've used that, and with this text message system, I've been able to make over $7,000 in the last 3 weeks. So it's doing about $500 a day. So I could title this video if I want to, one app that I'm using to make $500 every single day, day in and day out. Okay, so what this app does, guys, well, this app is it's a text message system that business owners need for their business that allow them to actually send out texts. You know, as you know, text messages are very responsive versus someone that's using emails, because email, the opening rate is really dropping. But if you're using text message, everybody check their phone. So when a text goes out, boom, you're more likely to check your phone, see who actually sent you the text. So having the ability to use a text message broadcaster that allow you automated the process, it makes it a lot easier for you. So with that being said, you get access to the system and you pay a fee for you to get access to it. Then every time you actually go out there and get someone to get that text message system that everybody needs, well, you get paid $100. And it's peer-to-peer, meaning that if you make the sale, it's gonna go directly to you. The person is gonna pay you directly through any payment gateway that you set up. One of the best way to make money online is having the ability to take money, direct cash, get paid right away, like right from the bank. That's one of the best way. I hate waiting for money. If you're someone that has to wait, like you have to wait a week for a paycheck, you gotta get paid every Friday, or you gotta pay every 2 weeks or bi-weekly, it gets really crazy. But with this little system that gives you the ability to actually get paid peer-to-peer, you know, meaning the person sends you the money directly, you can use the money every single day. You can go to the store, to the grocery store, and you need money today, boom. And there you go, someone pay you right away, you can use that money right from the store. And I think it's a really great concept, and I think the world is changing. A lot of people is moving to that peer-to-peer factor where they can get money a lot faster. They even use Bitcoin, which is, you know, like right now, it's a digital currency that many people are using, and is catching a lot of traction all over the world. Although it's changing right now, it's not very stable at the time of this video, but people are even willing to take that because it has the potential of going up or down, or they can't ever trade it if it goes up, meaning that if they was to get $100 from you, if Bitcoin was to ever double up, that means that $100 become $200. So I think it's a really cool system, a really powerful way for you to actually make money online. Okay, when I first got it, what I did, guys, I went on social media and talk about it and share it. But now, what I'm currently doing, I'm doing Craigslist ads. So I'm running some ads, some traffic, you know, to it. So lately, what we're doing right now, I'm putting together a funnel, my own personal funnel. What I want to do for those of you that's watching this video and you actually take action on this text message app, you know, system that you can actually use through your phone, well, I'm going to share my funnel code with you. I hope that you do have ClickFunnels. If you don't, I'll send you access to mine. You can actually get access to the code, and then you can get ClickFunnels for free. And you can have a funnel for it online where I kind of explain to people exactly how they can just use a phone number with a text message system to make money online. Guys, making money online is a process, okay? It's a process. If you have the skill set to actually make it happen, you understand how to get an offer in front of people. That's all it is. I mean, sometimes it might be complicated. There's many different skill set that comes into play, but the main skill set that you need is to be able to get traffic, which is people, eyeballs, get them to an offer and offer something that they want. Now you can go in the mix of changing things. Maybe you want targeted traffic. Maybe you want to understand conversion. Those are all details for later, but if you can get traffic, you can get someone to see something they could be interested in. Like right now, I have a number down below. If you're interested into this little app that I'm using, this little app system, just go ahead and call my number down below. The number is going to be right down below in the description, or I'm going to put it right down below this video. Just check the number and you'll see a fun funnel. Now, you are a potential person who can do that. So if you actually go out there, you take action on this, and you watch the video, this is one way I can get traffic. So someone was asking me, okay, how do I get traffic? How do I get people to see the stuff that I want to do? You know, you can post it on Facebook. You can do Facebook. You can go but do a little Facebook ads. I'll show you a software that I use here. You can just get the Facebook ad. You can just click a button, boom, it will come up with an ad for you. What you do, you just copy the ad, you copy your number, because you're gonna have your own number, copy your number, you put it inside of the software, you automatically click a button, and it will do the ad for you. What you do, you take those ads, you put them on Craigslist, you put them on Facebook, you go to a Facebook group, you log it into your Facebook account. You go into a Facebook group about, you know, maybe work from home, maybe entrepreneurship, maybe make money online. Once you sign in inside of this group, if you're allowed to pay, you post your number. Maybe you post a picture with it and say, hey, this is how much I made with this, or this is how much my mentor made with this, or this is a really cool system that's gonna allow you to grow your list or grow your phone list. And then once you do that, you start getting some traction and you start getting people to call the number. Every time they pay, you make $100. They send you $100 directly to your PayPal, to your merchant, to your Cash App, whatever you choose, guys. It has never been easier. It's by far one of the best ways you could use to actually make money online. So if you're looking for a video of a different apps, you know, I made videos of different apps you could use that makes you some money online, but this one is guaranteed to make you at least $100. It cannot make you any less. You see, there's some different business, some different things. It's gonna make you like $10, $5, you know, $2 per action, some CPA action, you know. But with this, it will always make you $100, no less. As you can see with all this payment, they all say 100, 100, 100, 100. It will always make you $100 because that's the least they can pay for the system. So once they do that, you start cracking out $100. So if you can get 5 people a day to buy that system, there you go. You make yourself $500 a day, which is what I've been doing. Just sharing the number all over social media in different places: Craigslist, Facebook, Facebook group, Facebook page, Facebook profile, Instagram, wherever you can get people. The key: do not just say, "Hey, man, I need a big following." The key is to market it. The key about having a following, you can cultivate, you can market it. So if you have 0, go get 1, then go get 2, go get 3, go get 4, and keep increasing it. A lot of the time people don't have following. They think that, oh man, I don't have following. Well, the big question to ask, how can you get a following? It's built. And the way it's built is through repetition. You have to be consistent. You cannot, you know, if you look at my YouTube, for example, look how many videos I got, you know. Consistency is key. I got a bunch of videos. Like every time that I want to share something with you guys, I crank up the camera, boom. I let you guys know what's going on in my life. I let you guys know what's going on with my business. I share some tips with you. I make videos all the time. I could be like, okay, that's it. I want to make a video for a week or 2 weeks, for a month, for 2 months. But I'm learning different things and I can share with people, and I'm getting different opportunity, you know, different things that's coming my way, different opportunities. I'm ready to crush it with people. So I'm gonna make videos and share with you. It's the same thing for you. If you're gonna make this stuff happen, don't just put one Facebook post. You know, put one today. Hey, put one tomorrow. Make a video today, make a video tomorrow. Or make one, you know, every other day. Or make 1, 2 a week. You know, put yourself on a schedule. Know how many videos that you're gonna put out there. And then content. How can you find content? Main key with finding content, guys, is to find. The main key is to find what people need. Okay, if you find what they need, you're able to help them with that, and you can crush it, guys. Anyway, this is why I know you need this app. Go check it out. If you want to make, you know, $100, that's the least you can make a day, to 500 to 1,000 a day. You know, depends how much you push this stuff. Well, this is the app you can use. Call the number down below. You'll have your own personal number that you can actually start getting people to call. Once they call the number, they go to the system, you get paid every time they actually buy the system. All right, that was your boy Cater. Let me know what you think of this video. Also, I'm having an event in Orlando, Florida, It's happening the end of this month, guys. I'd like to see you. Definitely, there's going to be a link in the description if you want to come to the event. Definitely, go down below, grab your ticket. I look forward to seeing you at the event. All right, see you guys later. Bye.
It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Get in the game, balls in your lane. Push hard, push through, you can do it. I'm here to put you on, so let's crush it. Don't stop, don't quit, go against the odds, and we'll shine bright like a diamond. Hold your breath, dive deep, cause I got your back. Living life, living dreams. Make that money stack, never quit. It's up to you, there's no limit. Oh yeah, dreams never die if you try.